Hey guys, we're gonna start another YouTube
Hello?
video.
Hello. Could you come again soon? Yes? Thank you, but don't kill us. We're sorry. Because our YouTubers really like you. So, we promise we won't do nothing to you.
Guys, and then we heard like a weird sound.
Yeah.
Like right
From
there, from here.
So, let's hear if he's here. If he comes
Hey, are you here?
Hello?
Oh, he is. Guys, he see the truth. He did come. He did come.
This time I'm here. This time I'm here. We just wanted to see you because you're famous, bro. Hey, you're famous. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Oh!
Just talk.
Guys, he said that he was gonna eat us. No, guys! Guys, he's trying to get us. Guys, dude. Oh!
Give me Sorry, guys. I'm finally here. We're here. Oh, take off it. Oh, we're telling someone to take off the
jacket because he's leaving.
Yeah,
It's not the zombie, but
it's not the zombie jacket, but
There's
it's
not actually
and
such a
it was my
zombie.
jacket, and it was like it was DC. It was awesome. The DC jacket. No, I'm just kidding. It's Fortnite. It's awesome, right? Fortnite's awesome. He was wearing it because
If you have
he
a
liked it.
PlayStation, play Fortnite.
So subscribe if you're new, and we will, guys, see you in the next video.
yeah, guys, goodbye.
Play Fortnite.
Peace.
Peace.
If you have a PlayStation, play Fortnite.
It's awesome.
Yeah, guys, play Fortnite. I
Get
have
the
played it.
golden minigun.
Yeah. get the
Bye.
golden-
See you in the next video.
Peace.